How to see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you suspect someone blocked you on WhatsApp and wants to check it, open your WhatsApp and open your chat with that person. Remember that when you're blocked, WhatsApp will not notify you that you have been blocked by a certain person. In this case, you need to look for signs that indicate that you've really been blocked by a contact. So, to proceed, look for that person's last seen or online status at the top of your chat. If you can't see it, it might be a sign that that person blocked you. However, do not jump to conclusions yet, for he or she could also just disable it. In that case, you need to look for another sign and you might want to check that person's profile picture. Tap on his or her profile picture on the top left corner of your chat, and if you see that it no longer updates or is missing, that is also an indication that you're blocked. But if you're not yet convinced, you can send him or her a message. If your message is marked with one check mark, which indicates that it has been sent but not delivered, it's another sign that you've been blocked. Another sign is you cannot voice or video call him or her. You will only hear a dial sound, but the call will not proceed. And lastly, if you're not able to add him or her to a group. To check, create a group by tapping these three dots and selecting New Group. Add that person and hit the arrow icon located on the bottom right of the screen. Assume a group name and click on the check button, and if a message pops up saying that you can't add that person, then it is likely because that person blocked you. These are all signs that you can check if you suspect that someone blocked you on WhatsApp.